Connecting your washing machine to the LG ThinQ app. iPhones. If you have LG electronic products, you can make your life a lot easier by connecting them to the ThinQ app. Check before connecting to the ThinQ app. Before connecting your product to the ThinQ app, ensure that both your washing machine and wireless router are powered on, and connect your mobile device to Wi-Fi. If you haven't downloaded the ThinQ app, download it from the App Store. Run the app, sign up, and log in. Now, let's learn how to connect your washing machine to the ThinQ app. On the ThinQ app's home screen, tap the plus sign and select Add Products. You can scan the QR code on the inside of the washing machine, or you can choose to add the product manually by selecting Try Adding Manually at the bottom of the screen. Read the Preparing to Connect instructions, then click Next. You can either select the washing machine from the list of nearby devices or directly from the product list below. Press the Wi-Fi Setup button for over 3 seconds following the app's instructions. Tap Next in the ThinQ app. To configure Wi-Fi on your iPhone, follow these steps. Go to your iPhone's home screen. Tap the Settings icon and access the Wi-Fi menu. Select the network that begins with LG Smart Laundry 2, followed by 4 digits or letters. Then enter the last 4 digits or letters twice as the password. Return to the ThinQ app. Select the Wi-Fi network to connect, and enter the password to establish the connection. Place your mobile device close to the product and wait a moment for the product to connect. When the screen changes to Product Successfully Added, tap OK to update the product information to the latest version. Once the update is complete, go back to the home screen by pressing Go to Home. You will now see the newly added washing machine, and the registration process is completed.